Open means to make something not closed or to start something. खोलना, शुरू करना, खुला होना. Let's learn uses of the word open with examples and practice sentences.
English Booster by Kashwani. One word a day. Say it the better way. Subscribe for your daily dose.
To make something not closed. खोलना. Example, please open the door. बराए करम दरवाज़ा खोलें. She opened the window. उसने खिड़की खोली. To start something. शुरू करना. They opened a new shop. उन्होंने एक नई दुकान शुरू की. The school opens at 8 a.m. स्कूल सुबह 8 बजे शुरू होता है. Not closed. खुला होना. Example, the shop is open now. दुकान अब खुली है. Keep your eyes open. अपनी आंखें खुली रखें. Let's practice these sentences to save in your active memory. Learn and repeat. Open the book. किताब खोलो. Please open the door slowly. बराए करम दरवाज़ा आहिस्ता खोलें. I open my bag every day. मैं रोज़ाना अपना बैग खोलती हूँ. She opened the window yesterday. उसने कल खिड़की खोली. Open your eyes. अपनी आंखें खोलो. Open now. दुकान अब खुली है. Open the box carefully. डब्बा एहतियात से खोलो. They open the school at 8 a.m. वो स्कूल सुबह 8 बजे खोलते हैं. He opened the gift happily. उसने खुशी से तोहफा खोला. Please open your notebook. बराए करम अपनी नोटबुक खोलो. Bank is open today. बैंक आज खुला है. Open the gate for me. मेरे लिए गेट खोलो. She opens the shop every morning. वो हर सुबह दुकान खोलती है. Open the file on the computer. कंप्यूटर पर फाइल खोलो. Keep the door open. दरवाज़ा खुला रखो. It's time to homework now. Make any 2 sentences with word and share in the comment section to make collection of beautiful sentences for practice and use it in your daily life from today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, keep practicing and subscribe this channel for more videos.